So today we are going to learn about how to declare a variable within the FH programming language. So how we can do that? First of all, you need to create a project of FH. So how we can do that? First, you need to click on File, then click on New, and then Project. Then you can see here a lot of options including Visual C Hash, Visual C++, and Visual F Hash. So you need to click on FH application. After you have clicked that, you need to click on OK. Now you can see a sum built in or by default syntax, so you need to clear it out, and here we will write our code. So there is a keyword that is called as let. Okay, so this keyword is used to declare a variable. So we will write let y is equal to 8. Okay, so this is our first line. So it has created a variable y and stored the variable 8 in it. Sorry, the value 8, the integer value 8 in the variable y. Okay, now if we want to see the value of y on the console app or the console output, we need to write print fn. Okay, print fn, and here we need to write y and colon, y colon and percent I. Percent I simply means that the data type of this y is of integer. Okay, and then y. So first this thing will be will get printed, okay, within the quotes, and then our this y will get print out the value of y. Okay, not the y but the value inside the y will get print out. Okay, now if you want to run it out, we can't see anything because we have to make we have to hold the console output. Okay, so we will write console dot read. Okay, so okay, wait, we need to write console dot read key. Okay, so we need to write here read key and console with capital C. Okay, console dot read key, and then this thing and this, and ignore. Okay, now we need to we need to write system dot console dot read key. Okay, then we need to write, and here we got our value 8. Okay, that is y colon 8. So in this way we can declare and print a value of any variable within the F hash. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.